Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Finder. Press Shift-Command U to open the Utilities folder immediately. Once there, verify you're using an administrator account so commands and system utilities will run without permission blocks. Also confirm your Mac OS version under About This Mac because tool locations and options differ across releases. Now that prerequisites are set, keep Terminal and Activity Monitor visible. They'll be your first actionable tools. This gets you into the system quickly and avoids detours into settings later. You open Terminal and run Discutal List and Discutal Repair Volume to check and fix disks. This is how you handle storage issues directly. Once done, switch to Activity Monitor to inspect processes, sort by CPU or memory, and quit problematic apps. This prevents crashes and frees resources. Make sure to use Disk Utilities First Aid on volumes that show errors. Repairing here addresses file system-level problems before they escalate. Together, these utilities let you diagnose performance and storage in a practical, predictable order. You'll move to Console to read system logs and filter by process or time, which helps pinpoint crashes and recurring errors. That's where subtle faults reveal themselves. If hardware-level quirks persist, reset NVRAM or SMC as instructed for your Mac model because these resets clear low-level settings. Finally, boot into Safe Mode or Recovery Mode to reinstall Mac OS or run terminal commands offline. If something still fails, reboot into Recovery and run First Aid. That's single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.